So I got this new muffler I want to tell you guys about. If you're looking for a quiet bus and you just want it to look, kind of stock, they have this one called the single tip, and it looks like this here. Let's see if that'll get. It's just I wrapped it, so it's just a muffler that has a tailpipe in the end. And I'm gonna tell you what I have a single quiet pack on my other bus. I had the Monza tip, 4 tip they call that on this one, and I just only had the 4 tip on here because I just happened to have one laying around, and I didn't intend to keep it on here, but I just put it on there to put the motor in the bus to drive it when I first got it built. So I put one of these on my green combi bus, and we might have saw the build on that. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's even on this channel. But I had a combi bus with 344 gears and 1600, and that bus drove really nice with this same combination. But with the extra interior and everything in here, this thing is super quiet, even quieter than the other bus. So let me tell you what I have. If you're looking for an original, like if you have a 65 and newer bus that has 14-inch wheels, and if you have an older one, the whole combination is going to change because the 15-inch wheels, you're limited on tire sizes. So I have two 205 75, or are they 205 70s? Make sure. 75 14s on here, and I have 344 gears. I have a Bug 0.89 fourth gear in this transmission. So if you're trying to figure out the combination that works really well, at 75 or even 80 with this muffler, the wind noise is much louder than the engine. Let me put it that way. And you can only barely hear the gear reduction boxes when you let off the gas. It's not that loud at all. At 65, it's, they're totally insignificant engine noise. Very quiet it's actually quieter than this car. So, at 65. So, okay, what the reason for that I believe is, and I'm going to tell you guys because if you're trying to figure this out, it'll make it a little bit easier, is the resonant frequency of this muffler. It doesn't have the same resonant frequency as the 4-tip or the single quiet pack, or even dual quiet packs. I've had all those on my buses, and it's got a little bit lower resonant frequency, so it doesn't start to resonate with the other engine noises and other engine sounds and permeate through the whole bus. So if you're trying to find an engine combination, I had this with a 1776, I had it with a 1600. I'm sure you can even go bigger. People go, oh, well, that's kind of a restricted muffler for a bigger car. Well, yeah, maybe, but it all depends on what you're trying to do. If you want your bus to be quiet, that's one thing. And if you want it to be original stock height, and quiet, this is a great combination for that. So got 344 gears, Bug fourth, not a single quiet back, but a single tip muffler. It's just like a 4-tip, looks just like a 4-tip, but it has only one tip that comes out of it, and it flows different than the 4-tip does. It has a completely different sound. It sounds a lot like a quiet pack, but a little bit lower and quieter. So it's it's a nice sound. I mean, quiet packs always sounded good to me. I always like the sound of a single quiet pack. That's why I have it on my other bus. I kept it on there. I was like, oh, those are cool. I like that muffler. But if you're looking for quiet, you want to be able to, you know, maybe hear your Bluetooth radio over your engine. Well, the thing with this thing is just the wind noise. With the pop outs opened and stuff, I mean, the wind noise is definitely outweighs the engine at this point. So, but yeah, if you're looking for that, then definitely take a look at this muffler. It might be the one you want, and with those gears set up. Now, I don't know, you know, if you're running regular GRBs and you don't have the 344 gears, maybe you got the 412 and the 82/4. I mean, that has a, I think that's a 4 point, I can't remember the this is like 3.85 to 1 total final drive. That might, I think that's 405 or 409 or something like that. Then, you know, it might have it'll have a different frequency, and it's definitely not going to go as fast as this thing does on the highway. You're not going to hit 80 in that combination at all. Not at all. Don't even try. I did 70 in my old bus with the 412, same tires, 412, 82/4, and I had these tires on it, same size tires, and I used to do 70, and it was pretty darn loud inside the bus with the dual quiet packs that I had on that one. So anyway, just a little food for thought for mufflers, and something if you want a bus that's quiet, this is the way to go. Talk to you next video.